The Live Good Super Red Smoothie with carrots, mango, and oatmeal. The ingredients: 1 mango, 1 carrot, 3 tablespoons oatmeal, and 1 scoop of Live Good Super Reds. The mango and carrot may seem like an odd coupling, but they actually make a delicious combination of vitamin A and C, a well-known immune system boosters, as well as fiber that all pack into them. Put all the ingredients into the blender to blend well. Carrots may improve eyesight and reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. The fiber from carrots help cleanse the body, while the oatmeal is good for the heart and lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and keep blood sugar balanced. Plus, Live Good Super Reds for cardiovascular health, circulation, brain and cognitive function, and sexual circulation. The overall combinations of ingredients is a winner in taste and nutritional value. We add ice cubes to make it refreshing. Blend all the ingredients well until it makes smoother. Here we go, the Live Good Super Red Smoothie with carrots, mango, and oatmeal. This is the unique and newest form of nutritional smoothie. Try it! Super delicious. That gives you feeling full for a dinner. This is the best weight management as well. For Live Good Super Red's order, click the link indicated below. To avail members price, take a free tour or message me for details. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.